Ever wondered how to generate NFT labels using label software without spending a fortune on costly subscriptions? If you're ready to take your labeling to the next level, keep watching. In today's, we'll explore the step-by-step process of generating NFT labels using easy-to-use label software. Plus, we'll go over the pros of adopting this technology for your food business. NFT labels can add an extra layer of security and authenticity to your products, ensuring that your customers get nothing but the best. Step 1. Let's start with choosing the right label software. There are several options available, ranging from free versions to one-time purchase software. I recommend software that supports QR code generation and has easy integration with blockchain platforms. Once you have the software, the next step is designing your label. Make sure it includes all the necessary information such as product name, ingredients, expiration date, and a unique product code. Finally, print the labels and apply them to your products. Why should you consider generating NFT labels? Here are some key benefits. 1. Enhanced traceability, easily track each product through its life cycle. 2. Increased consumer trust, offer verifiable proof of authenticity. 3. Brand differentiation, stand out from competitors by leveraging cutting-edge technology. But navigating through all these technical steps can be challenging. That's where we come in. We are here to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in. Need help generating NFT labels without costly subscriptions? Book a strategy call with us or call us directly at 1-236-513-2488. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology to improve your food business. Ready to add NFT labels to your products? We're just a call away.